For all you engine builders out here, I've got something really exciting to show you. Rimac spring compressors are back in 1,000 pound and 500 pound versions. Check this out. Spring on there. You can look at your micrometer and off you go. Boom. Great repeatability. Works exactly how you'd expect it to. Professional valve spring compressor and tester. Rimac is back. Specialty Auto Parts is the exclusive distributor of this product, so look for it. It'll be out there available in early 2021. Thank you.